Hi friends, today I would like to speak on dream in leadership point of view. When you ask any common man what is a dream, one gets an answer. It is a series of thoughts, images and sensations occurring in a person's mind during sleep. In leadership also, we need to dream at all times. But this dream must be with eyes wide open and awake. Friends, every burning desire leads to a dream, a big dream, which is the starting point to construct your own world. Ask any successful person whether he has achieved his dream or achieved his success without dreaming. The answer will be no. One has to dream to be successful. Dreaming while awake is all about creating a positive video of imagination in your mind and watching it multiple times in your mind every single day. The important aspect of the dream is that it has to be specific of what you want to achieve in life. Remember, you are the engineer, you are the architect, the inventor, the creator of your own dreams, and your imagination is the blueprint of your dreams, which will lead you to success. Being a human being, we may have various desires to earn the best items available in this universe. However, one need to be focused on one thing at a time. Once you achieve that particular big dream, all other dreams will come to you automatically. Friends, I would like to suggest that you make a list of your dreams and write it on a piece of paper or in a book. It could be a dream of, say, doubling your income, or speaking to an audience of 10,000 plus in a big stadium, or creating something unique, or identifying ways to acquire by something unique which you can acquire. My suggestion is to have a clear mindset about your aspirations and your goals. Read your dream as many times as possible, but definitely you have to read your dream as soon as you get up in the morning, as well as you have to read before going to bed at night time, and of course during the daytime as many times as you want, and work towards it, prioritizing your actions. Put all your focus of that particular work to make it realistic, and definitely you will have your dream come true. This has happened to me a couple of times in last few years when I really put in my efforts, and I am sure this will work for you without fail. Let's dream to achieve our desired goals. Thank you, friends.